Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be reviewing this giveaway package that I won from Slimeowy. Before we start this video, here are our shoutouts today. In the giveaway package, there was the slime, of course. It came very tightly bubble wrapped, a care sheet which was also her business card, and some candy. The slime that I won was called Blue Hawaiian Thicky Mickey, and it's Blue Hawaiian scented. The texture is a thick and glossy slime. On the side here, as you can see, there's a warning label which I really love about her slimes. As you can see, the slime is super thick and super glossy. It's also very pokeable, which I really love about it. Just like she described, it's not the thickest slime in the world, but it's still pretty thick. I love slimes that are thick but are also really stretchy and creamy, and this slime is just that. In this clip right here, the slime is a little bit melted, so I'm going to be adding a little bit of activator. After I added some activator, it was a perfect texture. It's also super inflatable, and you will see a clip of that later on in the video. It's really holdable. Moving on to the scent. The scent was really good, and for some reason it reminded me of those canned oranges or canned mangoes, and I don't even know why. Which isn't really a bad thing or anything, and this is totally my own opinion, but it still smells really good. If you happen to be really good at inflating slimes, this is a perfect slime for you. It also makes really good bubble pops, which I really like about this slime, and it also makes beautiful swirls as well. If you get a chance, I would really recommend you to snatch this slime from her shop. Anyways, the rest of the video will be ASMR, so if you want, you can hang around or you can just leave this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Have a great day and bye!